This is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. To start, we will need to download and install the free third-party app that is called Caffeine. So let me do exactly that. As you can see, this is a very lightweight application, just under 7 megabytes, so the whole process will take literal seconds. Then once the app was successfully acquired, you gotta launch it, make sure that the timeout section has been set to be infinite, and as long as the Caffeine app stays active in the background, so make sure not to close and turn this application off, your screen will not automatically turn off at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.